Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to assign material. So we have this example 3D objects, and if you want to assign material, you can select the object, go to properties, and you can see we have these material names, unknown material. You can click on drop down menu to choose your material. Next, I will click this library, and you can see we have this basic material. As example, I will use this option aluminum, and you can click OK to apply into the object. So we have the option in here for the material like fluid density and another option. If you want to change, you can click here again, drop down menu, and then go to library, or you can use your library by using this add to library. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to assign material. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.